plants are small, non-flowering plants. Most of the non-flowering plants are large in size. They are planted in forest and hill. The non-flowering plants are mostly used for domestic purposes. The life cycle of non-flowering plants are large.
So my name is Maria. I read in class grade 4th grade. Today our activity topic is flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants. Flowering plants grow their seeds and an ovary which is embedded in the flowers are fruits and also produce leaves, stem, roots. This is flowering plants. Flowering plants have roots, stem, leaves, flowers and seeds. Non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants have no flowers or fruits and seeds, but some non-flowering plants produce tiny spots, but they have still leaves, roots. For example, fire and ferns. Non-flowering plants have roots, stem, leaves. Non-flowering plants do not have flowers, fruits, and seeds.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatma. I read in grade 4th grade. Vegetative part of flowering plant and non-flowering plant. The root, stem and leaf are vegetative part of flowering plant and non-flowering plant. The first one is roots. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hipsa and I read in grade 4th grade. The first part of the flowering plant and non-flowering plant is roots. The root is the underground part of the plant which is non-green in color. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. The flowering plant and non-flowering plant is roots. Is stem.
Welcome, my name is Ramesa. I read class 4th grade. Stem is the second part of flowering plant and non-flowering plant. Stem is the part of the plant which grow above the ground. It bears leaves, flowers and fruit. Flowering plant and non-flowering